students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th and subject looking around environmental studies. In that, chapter number 14. Chapter name is When the Earth Shook. See the main question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. Which is the disaster in which the earth shakes, houses collapse, and lives and property are damaged? A. Cyclone, B. Earthquake, C. Flood, and D. Fire. Answer is option B. Earthquake. Number 2. Which disasters occurs when there is too much rain and the level of river water increases? A. Drought, B. Cyclone, C. Flood, and D. Earthquake. Answer is option C. Flood. Question number 3. What is the fire that occurs in forest known as? A. Cyclone, B. Explosion, C. Tsunami, and D. Forest fire. Answer is option D. Forest fire. Number 4. Which disaster do people face when there is no rain, crops dry up, and scarcity of water and food grains is prevalent? A. Drought, B. Flood, C. Cyclone, and D. Earthquake. Answer is option A. Drought. Number 5. Which catastrophe occurs in the sea and has a disastrous effect on the surrounding coastal areas? A. Flood, B. Tsunami, C. Cyclone, and D. Drought. Answer is option B. Tsunami. Number 6. Which of the following events is not a natural disaster? Option is A. Earthquake, B. Flood, C. Cyclone, and D. Bus accident. From this option D. Bus accident is not a natural disaster. Now see the number 7. Which of the following disaster cannot be predicted? A. Cyclone, B. Heavy rains, C. Flood, and D. Earthquake. Option D. Earthquake is the answer. Now see main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. When a house has to be built, its plan is designed by an blanks. Answer is architect. When a house has to be built, its plan is designed by an architect. Number 2. The fast flowing increased water of a river are known as blanks. Answer is flood. Now see the number 3. The famine that occurs when there is a very heavy rainfall that sweeps away crops and scarcity of food grains happens is known as a wet famine. Now see the number 4. Strong winds that blow at very high speed cause the disaster known as a cyclone. Strong winds that blow at very high speed cause the disaster known as a cyclone. See the number 5. A blanks is also known as a dry famine. Answer is drought. A drought is also known as a dry famine. Now see number 6. During a blanks, trees and poles fall down due to strong winds. Answer is cyclone. During a cyclone, trees and poles fall down due to strong winds. Number 7. When there is a blanks, the fire station is notified. Answer is when there is a fire, the fire station is notified. Now see the next page. Now see main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. The city of Bhuj was the most adversely affected by the earthquake that happened in 2001. True. Right. Number 2. we should extinguish the fire caused by electricity with water. False, wrong. Number 3. We should go to an open ground in case of an earthquake. True, right. Now see the number 4. A tsunami is a disaster that occurs in the sea. True, right. Number 5. One should stand under a tree during a cyclone. Wrong, false. Number 6. When there is a continuous and heavy rain during monsoon, rivers get flooded. True, right. Number 7. The possibility of earthquake increases during the rainy season. Wrong, false. Now see, main 4 match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see the column A, that are disaster. Number 1, an earthquake. 2, floods. 3, a cyclone. 4, a forest fire. And C, column B, that's our destruction. Number 1, loss of forest wealth. Number 2, damage to sea coast. Number 3, the earth starts shaking. Number 4, fast flowing river. Number 5, strong high speed wind. Now see an earthquake. An earthquake match with the number 3. Number 3, the earth starts shaking. Now see number 2, floods. Flood match with the number 4, fast flowing river. Number 3, a cyclone. Cyclone match with the strong high speed wind. Number 4, a forest fire. Forest fire match with the loss of forest wealth. Now see main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. See the question number 1. What does natural disaster mean? Answer is, when there is a sudden mishap that occurs in nature, human life is badly affected and people face a lot of difficulties. Such natural accidents are known as natural disaster. Now see question number 2. State the main types of disaster. Answer is, there are two main types of disaster. Number 1, natural disaster, and 2, man-made disaster. Now see the next page. See the question number 3. Name some natural disaster. Answer is, earthquake, landslide, drought, flood, tsunami, cyclone, forest fire, etc. are some natural disaster. Now see question number 4. Name some man-made disaster. Answer is, war, communal riots, road accidents, stampede, escaping, terrorist attack, rebellion, etc. are man-made disasters. See the question number 5. What is a flood? Answer is, the fast flowing increased water of a river are known as a flood. See the question number 6. When does a drought like situation occur? Answer is, if there is no rain or very little rainfall, crops and fodder do not grow. Such a situation is known as a drought. See the question number 7. What does tsunami mean? Answer is, when there is an earthquake in the deep regions of the sea or ocean, or when there is a volcano in the sea or ocean, high waves of gigantic proportions are created. This condition is known as a tsunami. Now see question number 8. What is a forest fire? Answer is, when branches of dry trees in dense forest constantly rub against each other, or due to some other reasons a fire is produced. This fire spreads very rapidly through forest. Such a fire is seen in a forest is known as a forest fire. See the question number 9. What is an earthquake? Answer is, some part of the earth's surface shakes or trembles or moves due to the movements of the tectonic plates that happen in the bowels of the earth. This is known as an earthquake. Now today we will end here. We'll see the next main 6 in the next video part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.